throw it in the stew.
No, if you do, it's gonna like.
But it will just scatter.
Tear apart. Okay, Glenn is. She says she's from Dominica.
She's from Dominican Republic.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah.
Oh boy. Oh
Come
boy.
and hold this thing for me.
It's getting yelling. Oh boy. Oh boy. What do you want, boy? I want to pick you up. Okay, let's pick you up. I know that's exactly what you want right now. Okay. Okay. I'm told, what's it called? TikTok don't allow kids.
Hey, this thing is stuck.
Your sister is coming. Just hold on, let me come on. Your sister is coming to pick you up. Can you do this? But this
Please, mom. Get it.
you can have this, but it's not really.
Is it still hot up there?
It's not.
Has the AC started working?
Yeah, totally. But it does. It just hold it. But I don't think he needs it. He just wants attention. Now you have her. Let me be.
Can you hold this up for me?
No, he said, Glenn said no, not Dominica in the Caribbean. So Dominica where, Glennis? I don't know. My geography is a bit hazy. Can you help me out, please? Yeah, because I've always heard of Dominican Republic, which I plan to visit, but so he said it's not Dominican.
I think she's
Republic.
from the United States too.
So Dominica, do we have Dominica? Please go Dominica.
You see why I don't want to put it inside this
I
tube?
said the French looks nice.
Hey, Chineke.
In the Caribbean, right?
One fell down. Nah, I'm not letting this go. I'm eating you. Let me leave it to get cold.
Okay, I know that is the Dominica. Glennis, please clear my. Is it the
I'm going to eat you when I'm done.
Dominican Republic? Because that was in the Caribbean now, right? It's more like an island. Close to Barbados. Okay. It's an island, right?
Yeah, that's where your sister went for vacation now.
Yeah, they just came back on Monday.
Oh, they're already back?
I think they are. I haven't heard from them. This place is Glennis I really want to visit. It's just time constraint, man. Okay, he said no. No. So Glennis, we have
She said no.
Dominican by itself, and we also have Dominican Republic. Clear my, because I'm getting
maybe
confused right now. Oh, okay. She said yes. Okay. Then after this, I need to Google it so that I will be making this mistake. So, okay.
This fish is everything. You that's asking me if I season this. If you taste this,
mackerel in itself has.
Yeah.
I seldom eat that particular fish because I ate it too much when I was growing up. That I don't know. Okay, Dominica by
this
itself.
fish tastes good.
Yes, okay, I got it.
Like
Dominica by itself. Okay. Do you by Glennis? Do you by any chance know? Is it visa free to American citizens? Because I know the Dominican Republic is. Well, I will find that. I will do that myself.
If it's visa free to America, we can visit.
I will find that out. Okay. Dominica. So we have Dominica. Then we have Dominican Republic. That is nice.
Yes.
Okay. Dominica is an island in Okay. Okay. Thank you for the clarification. But I think Dominican Republic is also an island too. So they are both islands. Well, no, we find out. People are joining from
TikTok.
yeah, that's I don't know how it works. Sorry,
My
TikTok.
first time, I'll figure it out. I'll figure that TikTok out.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome to the Nigerian African home where ice cream bowl is used to put soup in the fridge.
It's used to store. It's just like for storage. Though.
to store food in the fridge. If you go to any African home or Nigerian home and you do not see ice cream bowl being used to store food in the fridge, then that's not an African home. Glenn, Thomas says something.
It's not a tradition though. It's just like an habit thing.
Something happened to my screen. Drag the puzzle piece into place. TikTok, is that how you people do?
I think I do hear those something you say like tap with the TikTok. I don't know. Somehow you're gonna figure it out.
Those they are tap.
So what does it mean? Mm-hmm.
I tell you, I don't know what game they play there that do that. I don't know, man. I hear it from Chief Priest Lady that she's doing tap.
Chama said no, visa needed to visit. Okay. Thank you for that information. This can be around.
You can stay in front of them while you're reading and talking to her.
You say we speak English and which is broken French. Okay.
Oh, really?
Oh, Tana said no visa needed to visit. Okay. Say here in Atingwa we have a plenty of ice cream bowl to store food. That's what
You have plenty ice cream bowl to store food.
means you are not patronizing the company that makes a storage bowl there. You just improvise. So you buy an ice cream. When you are done eating the ice cream, then the bowl is converted to something else. Well, that is wisdom.
In any Nigerian home, you must see that kind of thing. You don't waste things like that. I'm coming to finish. Let me watch this thing. Let me just clear this place down. Oh shit. Kaden, what's up?
He needs attention. He just wants you to pick him up. That's what he needs.
I'm tired.
Always tired from doing
You
more.
just grab
Always
him up
tired.
and on
If I hear film, I will leave this plate. If I hear film, I will leave this plate. Don't do film. He's actually talking to you.
because he just wants
Say something.
He just wants someone to pick him up.
Yes, tell him that you hear him.
Because he's tired of
Amanda, say something. Tell him you hear him.
I hear you.
Say something. He wants to gist. Man, my first day on TikTok, Amanda. My first day on TikTok live. Guess what? The first person that joined said I should watch my weight. Man,
I'm telling you, mommy.
some people are crazy. I'm telling you, TikTok is crazy. TikTok and Twitter.
I don't see it meaning anything about
TikTok and Twitter, they are crazy over there. They don't care.
Go pick him up so that he will disturb.
They will yab you on TikTok. But you know what? I'm ready for them. I really do not care. I don't care. Things like that don't bother me at all. Be reading comments because I'm not seeing you. Can you pick him up, Amanda, please?
Go with Amanda. Can you pick up that boy?
Please.
Ali. He's
Pick him up for a few
distracted.
minutes. Let me finish what I'm doing, please.
That's all he needs. That's all he needs.
Yeah.
I would have picked him up. They say TikTok don't allow babies. I don't know.
What?
Yeah, I think I see people who always on live videos, they're hiding their kids because they say TikTok do not really like kids. Because you have to be 18 years to join my live video with the setting. If you want to sign up for the kids, you sign up. If you want to sign up for adults, you sign up for adults. Mine is 18, so you can't show kids. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
That kind of thing.
Let's see the comments again.
You can't see the comments again. Maybe it's not coming. Or it's hanging. What did you guys cook for Sunday? What did you guys cook? So this garbage breaker, people have spoiled it again.
First of all, mommy,
It's crazy, man.
y'all keep putting big bones and don't throw it away in the trash.
Who is Yao?
Because it was African food. That's the home.
Nobody
We have
can
the
see
bones.
plates here
What?
with bones in it.
Yes, they do. It's probably you, actually.
Me.
'Cause you don't
I'm the
know.
one telling you that I will be the one that is doing it.
It's you people. So are you saying you people do not eat African food? So it's only me and him that eats African food in this
I
house?
mean, yeah, but not.
But so what are we cooking now?
Yesterday, it happened yesterday. So lately we haven't been eating.
So you turned it on and there was bone inside it.
Huh?
You turned the garbage breaker on
Nobody
and
has
there
been
was
eating
bone.
bone in this house.
And there was bone outside too, and I had to throw it in the trash.
No, I'm talking about how did it spoil?
It's bone.
You turned it on and it was in there.
Yeah, it already cooked in there. So y'all don't throw it away.
It's no longer.
Yes, no.
I don't know. I don't know why he's doing that. So two of them is hanging. Huh? So how do you wouldn't know now if he's hanging? That's the thing. And I'm far from the screen. Amanda, my first live on TikTok. Somebody said I should go and watch my video. And the person that said that thing can't even speak English well.
I don't think you meant it in a bad light.
Where do you mean it in a good light? You're meeting somebody for the first time. You don't know who that person is.
You see the word he said? I think I can still.
No, it's the way his English is bad.
He said his sister is a weight watcher.
No, his English is bad. He's saying, my sister, watch your weight. Now he dey talk. Even if his sister is a weight watcher, why is he telling me? So you just meet any random person you are meeting for the first time and you're telling that person your sister is a weight watcher. Then let your sister be a weight watcher now.
It's okay. Doesn't so fun.
I don't even care, honestly. I'm just telling Amanda that TikTok is not like...
You sound like you're worried about what
I'm not worried. I'm telling Amanda something.
Then forget about it.
Why would I be worried? What's my business? Somebody that I don't know. Somebody that you don't know. Will that person have say over your life?
That is your fan now. It's your first time TikTok. It's not your fan.
What I'm saying is there are things I cannot do. I guess people are different. Everybody with their own orientation. I cannot meet somebody for the first time.
Everybody just said it.
Yup.
It's life.
Yep.
Calm down, y'all.
Huh?
Calm down, y'all.
Calm down, who? Who?
That
What are you doing? You're eating. Oh, I wanted to make the video produce by myself for once. You're putting the catfish.
I think it's already on.
Oh, wow. Okay. Amanda, he's too close to the edge, though. I already told you that. You never know the day he will start moving around. You never know. I keep saying that to everybody. You don't know if it's today that you decide to start moving around. Let's move. And then you will leave in there. You will hear katapo on the ground. Katapo. You will not be asking yourself, since when? How did it happen?
What?
Rewash mine.
Want to wash your hands? I'm gonna have to soak this grill this pan.
Let's see whether.
You want to put more spices?
Because I have the water. We have Maggi. We have this, and we bought those ones yesterday.
I didn't even know. You know, I was asking you if we have or not.
Oh, I was
You're the one that
bought
cooked last.
Yeah, I bought it. I bought it, I remember.
When?
I think
The
the
day
last
you
time
made what?
I made the goat meat pepper soup.
Then go down this like that. Oh, Lisa, is he still sleeping? That's what happens when you people do not sleep at night. You want to bring that?
Coming, boy.
Oh, sorry, Amanda, sorry. Sorry. The moment you open the door and come in, the fish. No, but it smells good, right? Yeah. It doesn't smell bad. Amanda, can you pick him up for me, please? Pick it enough. Thank you. Amanda, you're not strong, though. Just my small body that touched you, you're already falling down. Hey! Jesus. Eh? These children are made. I don't know how they are made these days. I don't know how these children are made these days. Eh?
You just bumped into me.
Yeah, just ordinary. You are falling down already. See, like, okay. You cannot carry him there, you fall, Amanda. You never reach that one. No. With good rapper, not this. Good rapper for Amanda, not this. You see that one yesterday, I had to be careful about it so it doesn't lose. I'm hungry. Amanda, are you ready to eat?
Yep.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hold him, I'm coming, hold him.
I'm tired.
Kid, you will not let somebody eat. I'm telling you. Hold him for me. Let me dish out your food first so I can take him. Even though I cannot show him on TikTok. But let me dish out your food first.
Hey, hold
I'm going.
No.
I'm there.
Oh.
I'm there. You can't. You can say TikTok. I don't know violation. You see, oh, that's what he needs. He just wants somebody to pick him around. Hold on, we're almost done.
What showed up my screen? Hold on. Arabian language. I don't know what that means. Amanda, is this okay?
Let me see. Yeah. Hey.
You see, it's hanging. This one is backwards. If you don't, something will happen or finish. This one is still showing it right now. Amanda, do you want chicken?
Yeah.
Do you want a lot of stew?
Yes.
I don't know how Amanda eats all this stew in rice. I eat a lot of stew. That's Amanda's food. Alright. Let me give you a spoon. You can sit down there on the dining. Man, I hate that I can't show Kaden on TikTok. If not, I'll carry him. Yeah, I'm dishing you out your own. Huh? Is this one okay?
Just, yeah, that should be.
This one?
Mm-hmm.
Meat? Yes. I know you don't eat stew, so I didn't even put stew. Just the one that came with the meat.
That's right.
Hmm? Huh?
That's fine.
They're trying to make it move. I think it's network.
Still bad.
It's not you, it's
The
your
one that-
network.
The one that you are showing is still far.
That's what I'm saying. It's your network hanging it. You understand? Let me dish out my own food. I see how Ken is sitting. Hey, baby. He will say, I haven't seen me today. See how he turned his face. He'll be like, how have you been? How have you been? And I've been crying. He turned his face out immediately.
Is the Wi-Fi here even working good? Connected to Wi-Fi.
That's what I'm using to stream like that. If it's not working, that my live video will end immediately.
Yeah, but then why am I behind?
fish out my lunch and come and take it. Yeah, I hate that I can't show him on TikTok. I would have just carried him and be eating him. I'll try and put him down there and see if he will stay. You guys, this food tastes good. I'm not even making this up. This food tastes really good. Amanda, try it, you will see. Tastes really good.
That's a good.
Very good, right? Where are you going now? You're living our life. Can you still be reading comments?
I'm gonna come back. I want to watch something.
What was it?
Something else.
Hey, man. I will even end it now. When I'm done. Let me show you guys the catfish pepper soup. The catfish pepper soup cooking. Let me show you guys the catfish pepper soup. My catfish pepper soup cooking. What's the difference between this, Amanda? This TikTok and Facebook? You see how bright TikTok is?
Oh yeah.
See how dull that Facebook this thing looks? Before I would think it's my lightning in the house, but it's not, obviously not.
Do you bring the apple juice out?
The apple juice. Do you want juice? I know you know they drink sugar now. Huh?
There's one bottle of beer with the bottle.
Well done, Amanda, give him the.
Before you will come.
You say it's bottle or can? Ooh, what did I just do? My hand, I was falling down, my hand touched it. Amanda, can you give him this?
Yeah. This glass not open.
Huh?
This glass not
Take that one with hand.
This one?
No.
Oh,
Yes,
really?
that one. Rinse it. Mango. Are you scared for me with TikTok people? You know how hard I made? You know how hard I made? Esnachi said, enjoy, thank you. Hey. I'm forgetting who I am. pepper soup should be done in just a few minutes. I'm looking at the fish stuff like it's already cooked.
Well, the fish is cooked, that's good.
So can you say you don't eat that food? First, it sucks the this boy. Maybe not now they find the hunger.
It's
If you don't reach to eat food now, you're gonna put a rice for mouth. You guys, this food tastes really good. I wish I can share. Smoked turkey. And this one is chicken. Oh, I forgot my fish. I didn't try it. Did you take fish? I forgot to give you. I know you like mackerel fish. You want? That's the mackerel fish. Oh, you too? So, smoked turkey, chicken, and mackerel fish. You guys, I'm gonna go ahead and feed Kenny. Maybe I'll come back later. Well, I have to go now. Yep. See you guys later. Bye.